Hi everyone, so I am back with another journal. This is another autumn themed journal, and we will call it Leaves Are Falling. Okay, that's a little title there that I've just popped that on. I've used mainly ARTYmaze papers here and done some done some black stitching all around. This is lovely collage paper. I do think, I don't know if that was a freebie or not, I can't remember. I used some of the autumn theme kits and some freebie kits as well. So it's more like a traveller's notebook size, so it's 8 1/4 by 4 3/4, one signature, 44 pages front and back. It will be listed in my coffee shop, so go check that out, and I will have a special offer on that. I've also got this one here. It's a little bit smaller. That was my first one of the season. This is my second one. Not sure how many I'm going to make, but I'll make maybe a couple more autumn themed ones. I don't really do Halloween. Maybe I should do, because all the kids are at that age now where they want to go out, and we could just fill it up with like photographs and memories of them. So eyelets, string as a closure. This, I'm just checking this is in frame. This is ARTYmaze's paper. I cannot remember what kit, but what I'll do below is link the Etsy store, ARTYmaze's Etsy store, and it will be all the autumn themed journals, so you'll have to browse through. So I've done some stitching there. I've left little bits on here. I mean, they can be trimmed off if they're not liked. Postcard here from one of the kits. Again, this is from one of the kits. This is actually from the old design shop, and I've just done some stenciling on there. And that pops in there, a little bit of stenciling here, little tab there. We've got another postcard. There's quite a few of these postcards, all different ones. There's quite a few of them all the way through. It says courage, some more stenciling on here, some more tags on a journal card. It's not tags, it's a tag. That's just holding this in place. You can do journaling on there. I've gessoed that as well, so if you wanted to do a little bit of that kind of mixed media on there, you could. Some squared paper. In here we've just got another postcard. Then in there's a large index card with a bead dangle. We have got some a journal card and a tag. That's from the autumn fruits of autumn kit. I can't remember what it's called. Autumn label there. Stenciling, a tab. It's a lovely tag there. Love the colours on that. Some more stenciling. Excuse me. A little bit of stenciling there in the middle. And another tag here. Some more squared paper, ARTYmaze paper, tag and a journal card, some fabric ruffle. Oh, my son's got a really bad cough. He's not ill, he's just got a really bad cough. I think it's the change in weather, because we do suffer bad with allergies, and you know, like going from like summer to autumn, and it's got really cold, it is affecting me as well. Heating's on, it's just horrible. I don't like it being this cold. I don't remember it being this cold over the last couple of years at this time of the year, but for some reason it's very cold. You know, a lot of people, there was people when I was out shopping today, and they were talking about, oh, it's rather cold for, you know, we're still in September. Yes, towards the end, but still just too chilly. This is a flip up. I've got a couple of journal cards in there, the fruity ones, and then another index card on there. And that just slips in behind here. And a little flip there filled with tags and postcards and little journal card there. So with a bit of luck, I will have grandchild number 6 by Friday, Saturday. She has to go in to be induced, and they're taking her in a little bit early because of a few little issues, nothing major. Well, we hope it's nothing major. But yeah, they're taking her in on Friday to induce her, and it'll be a granddaughter. So I'm looking forward to that. Trying to get lots done this week, keep me busy. But because I've got a couple of other grandkids at the weekend. So that's my journal, and if you're interested in this one or the other one that I just showed you, then the links will be in the description box below. Go check them out. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.